To fix the issue of Android Hotspot keeping disconnecting, follow these steps. First, restart your device, as this often resolves connectivity issues. If the problem persists, check your mobile data connection and ensure it is stable. A weak or fluctuating mobile data signal can cause the hotspot to disconnect frequently. Next, go to your device settings and navigate to the Wi-Fi and network section. Look for the mobile hotspot and tethering option and select it. Check the settings for the mobile hotspot and ensure that the timeout or idle timeout is set to never or a high value. This will prevent the hotspot from disconnecting when not in use. Additionally, check for any interfering devices or applications that may be causing the hotspot to disconnect. Some devices or apps may interfere with the Wi-Fi signal, causing the hotspot to drop. Try disabling or uninstalling any recently installed apps to see if this resolves the issue. Another step is to reset the network settings on your device. This will restore the network settings to their default values and may resolve any configuration issues that are causing the hotspot to disconnect. To do this, go to the Settings menu and look for the Reset or Backup and Reset option. It is also a good idea to check for any software updates for your device, as these updates often include bug fixes and improvements to the mobile hotspot functionality. Ensure that your device is running the latest version of the Android operating system. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, try resetting your device to its factory settings. This will erase all data and settings on the device, so be sure to back up your data before doing so. This should be a last resort, as it will restore the device to its original settings and may resolve any underlying issues that are causing the hotspot to disconnect. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of your Android hotspot keeping disconnecting. Remember to always check the mobile data connection and network settings, as these are often the cause of the problem. Regularly updating your device and checking for interfering devices or apps can also help to prevent the issue from occurring in the future.